Okay, this is the Minn Kota trolling motor. It's the Endura 55-pound thrust. We're having problems right now with the speed switch. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So something's wrong with the switch. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to take it loose. Okay, it's only this cap here. The top is only held on by 6 screws, which you probably can't see it from the bottom here, but that's 1, 2 over there, and just 3 right here, and 4. And it's 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Okay, you can use a Phillips screwdriver, or you can do like me. I use my trusty Makita drill here. It gets the job done a little quicker. Okay, excuse the video because I'm going to try to do this while holding it, and I don't have any help, so I'm going to attempt to take it loose real quick. 3 screws. I'm going to let it drop to the floor, so don't worry about it. Okay, you just go underneath here. Okay, you see that's 1. So you can see it. I hope you can see it, but probably not. I'll just show you what I can show you. But I'm just taking it loose to 6 screws. Go. Yeah, there you go. Let me get the other side. I know it's a jacked up video, but hey, what can I say? Just gotta find the head of the screw under there. It's a little tough there finding that one, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's easier if I go to this one. I go to this one. There we go. I just need one more. One more. Need 2 hands, but there we go. Okay. Let me see if I can show you this. Okay. Taking it off. Bingo. And this is the switch that you want to get to. I recommend you can find this switch for about 20 bucks on eBay, of course. But before I recommend here, there are 6 contacts here. They're color coded, and the color is on the switch too, so you can't get them mixed up. But I recommend, see it raise right up, see? Lifts up. Just take them loose I'll take one loose for you. You just pull it loose. There you go. And just clean the contact. Clean the contact with some type of cleaner. And then place it back. Place it back on there. And then try the motor and then see if that makes it any better. Okay? And if it doesn't, you just take all 6 are loose. Once you take all 6 are loose, there will be a set screw here, a Phillips screw. You unscrew it, and the little motor comes right off. Put the other one back on and place it on there. Okay? It's just that simple. Sorry for the video.